Let's see what Celsius does to your blood sugar. I am fasted. I'm about a 16-hour fast. This has 10 calories, 0 carbs, 0 sugars, has a little bit of vitamin C and some other vitamins. Looks like it's sweetened by sucralose and green tea extract. So kind of curious if this will spike it or not. I'm not gonna just chug it right away. I'm going to drink it within 10, 15 minutes. I think that's normal what people do. I don't think people slam these things. So yeah, let's dig in. All right, guys, all done with my Celsius. I am wearing, FYI, the Stello glucose monitor. So far, it's been pretty good. And let's check back in 2 hours. All right.
All right, folks, so 2 hours has passed by. I am in my Stello app. Looks like I had this at 10:24 a.m. Like I said, I was fasted. I haven't had anything to eat since last night. Started off at 88 milligrams per deciliter, and 2 hours later, I'm at 105. This is surprising to me. I went up 17 points. Um, I really thought with zero sugars, zero carbs, and I know artificial sweetener that it shouldn't have spiked it up, but it did. And in fact, after 2 hours, for about 30 more minutes, it went up about 2 more points. So interesting to me. Hopefully, this is helpful. I will be taking Celsius out of my diet. I'm trying to really stay as low as possible on my glucose levels. And I'm going to be cautious of what I eat and drink. Leave a comment if you want to have me do any activities or have any food requests, food or beverage requests, and so I can show you guys the results. And subscribe if you want to see results from other requests people are making. All right, guys, take care. Bye.